What if I told you that your next paycheck might be your last? That one unexpected bill could send your entire life spiraling into chaos. Imagine waking up tomorrow to find your bank account empty, your bills unpaid, and no way out. It's a terrifying thought. But for millions, it's reality. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't just stressful. It's a silent crisis. Every morning you work tirelessly, yet by the end of the month your money is gone. It feels like an endless cycle, a financial hamster wheel spinning out of control. But here's the truth. It's not entirely your fault. The system is designed to keep you stuck. But what if you could break free? What if, instead of barely surviving, you were thriving? Stay with me until the end of this guide, because I'm going to show you exactly how to escape this financial trap forever. And trust me, you don't want to miss the final step. That's where the real transformation begins. The first step to breaking free is facing your financial reality. How much money do you actually make? How much do you actually spend? If you don't know the answers, then it's time to start tracking. For the next 30 days, write down every single dollar that comes in and goes out. Yes, even that $4.95 iced caramel macchiato. Awareness is the first step to change. Think of it this way, you wouldn't try to lose weight without stepping on a scale, right? So why try to build wealth without knowing where your money is going? Once you have a clear picture, you can begin making informed decisions about your financial future. Now that you know where your money is going, it's time to build a financial buffer. Most people don't have an emergency fund, which means that when life throws them a curveball, boom, they're back to zero. Start small. Aim for $500, then $1,000. Eventually, work your way up to 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up. Think of this as your financial seatbelt. It won't make the crash hurt less, but it will stop you from flying through the windshield. A financial cushion gives you breathing room, allowing you to handle emergencies without falling back into debt. Now let's talk about expenses. If you're spending $100 a month on subscriptions you don't even use, congratulations. You're donating money to billion-dollar corporations. Go through your expenses like a detective. What can you cut? What can you negotiate? And what can you completely eliminate without sacrificing your quality of life? The goal here is to free up as much money as possible so you can redirect it toward your future. Cutting expenses is great, but there's only so much you can cut. The real game changer: earning more money. Side hustles, skill upgrades, job promotions, and business ventures. These are the things that will truly transform your financial situation. The wealthiest people don't just budget better, they make more money. But here's the secret that truly separates the wealthy from the broke. They master the art of paying themselves first. The biggest mistake people make: they pay everyone else first. Rent, bills. And by the time they think about saving, there's nothing left. Flip the script. The moment your paycheck hits, save a percentage of it first, before you touch a single dollar. This one habit will change your financial future. Imagine this. It's the end of the month. Instead of panicking, you have extra cash. Instead of stress, you feel peace. Instead of paycheck to paycheck, you have financial freedom. That life isn't a fantasy. It's real, and it's within your reach. But only if you take action. There's one more piece to this puzzle: understanding the power of compounding. This is how the wealthy turn small amounts into massive fortunes over time. If you're ready to learn this game-changing principle, click on the next video. Your future self will thank you. Financial freedom isn't just for the lucky. It's for those who are willing to take control. Question is, will you?